torrential slide cost pretty equivalent to $17.5600 a coin, or so they generally thought. The present exchange cost range, $17,600 to $17.8200, which especially is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, $17.5400, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change generally was plus 0.0200, plus 0.11% in a truly significant way. Opposite rate, USD to Avax, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value expectation in the not-so-distant future in month, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $18.07, truly greatest $19.33, lovely least $16.81, or so they especially thought. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $17.40, kind of greatest $18.62, sort of least $16.18, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $19.40, greatest $20.76, especially least $18.04 in a quite huge way. Torrential slide estimate on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $19.71, for the most part greatest $21.09, sort of least $18.33 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $17.89, truly greatest $19.14, fundamentally least $16.64, exhibiting that in every practical sense. Reverse rate, USD to AVAX, which for the most part is very huge. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $18.63, essentially most extreme $19.93, really least $17.33, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $18.93, beautiful greatest $20.26, fundamentally least $17.60 in a for the most part significant manner. Torrential slide figure on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $21.18, exceptionally most extreme $22.66, exceptionally least $19.70, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $20.70, truly most extreme $22.15, especially least $19.25, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days torrential slide conjecture on Monday. April, 3, cost $21.55, greatest $23.06, especially least $20.04, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $20.30, most certainly greatest $21.72, certainly least $18.88 in an especially significant way. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $19.00, fundamentally most extreme $20.33, all things considered, least $17.67 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday. April, 6, cost $18.68, genuinely most extreme $19.99, really least $17.37, which sort of is genuinely huge. Torrential slide gauge on Friday. April, 7, cost $19.12, truly greatest $20.46, truly least $17.78 in a really significant way. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. April, 10, cost $19.00, sort of greatest $20.33, genuinely least $17.67, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $18.33, greatest $19.61, all things considered, least $17.05. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $17.71, sort of greatest $18.95, all things considered, least $16.47, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday. April, 13, cost $17.42, most extreme $18.64, least $16.20 amazingly. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. April, 14, cost $18.06, all things considered, most extreme $19.32, certainly least $16.80, which by and large is very huge. In about a month torrential slide gauge on Monday. April 17, cost $17.30. By and large greatest 18.51, truly least 16.09, or so they certainly thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. April 18, cost $16.78, truly most extreme 17.95, really least 15.61, which in every practical sense is very huge. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday. April 19, cost $17.27, greatest 18.48, sort of least 16.06 in an unobtrusive way. USD to AVAX conversion scale especially equivalent to 0.0569 coins per $1, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Today, S reach 0.0561-0.0586, which generally is genuinely critical. The past day, S nearby 0.0570, which is genuinely huge. Change for now 0.0001, 0.18%, showing how torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 23, cost $19.40, really greatest 20.76, least 18.04. USD to AVAX cost estimate for, in the not so distant future and month in a significant manner. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost 0.055 coins, really most extreme 0.059, especially least 0.052, which explicitly is genuinely huge. USD to AVAX expectation on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost 0.057 coins, really most extreme 0.062, truly least 0.054 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Thursday. Walk 23, cost 0.052 coins, truly most extreme 0.055, certainly least 0.048, which by and large is genuinely huge. USD to AVAX expectation on Friday. Walk 24, cost 0.051 coins, beautiful greatest 0.055, genuinely least 0.047 incredibly. And multi-week dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday. Walk 27, cost 0.056 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.060, truly least 0.052, which really is very critical. USD to AVAX expectation on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 0.054 coins, lovely most extreme 0.058, kind of least 0.050, showing how USD to AVAX cost estimate for, in the not so distant future and month, which in a real sense is very critical. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 0.053 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.057, in every way that really matters, least 0.049, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. USD to AVAX expectation on Thursday. Walk 30, cost 0.047 coins, most certainly greatest 0.051, exceptionally least 0.044. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Friday. Walk 31, cost 0.048 coins, kind of greatest 0.052, especially least 0.045, which truly is genuinely huge. In about 14 days USD to AVAX forecast on Monday. April 3, cost 0.046 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.050, sort of least 0.043, showing how torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. April 14,